Recently, drone footage highlighted expansion of Tesla Gigafactory, and in this factory there will be 50,000 NVIDIA GPU, which will make AI supercomputer for Tesla full self-driving services. Not only FSD but also robotaxi and upcoming Tesla car. This expansion project you will see a big fan, and Elon Musk says about these fans that we would be nothing without our fans. Tesla is now setting big fans in Gigafactory, Texas. Thousands of jobs will be generated in this expansion project, and all credit will be goes to Texas people. These are the drone footage, and company CEO has responded to these drone footage that we would be nothing without these fans. He is directly referring to the equipment that will be installed. And according to media report, more than 2,500 acres has been taken to expand the Texas project, and company said Tesla still need more space to install NVIDIA GPU because each GPU requires significant power and cooling. And Musk has also revealed that Tesla will be spending more than $3 to $10 billion in this project.